Okay, this was the first question. Mechanical ventilators play an important role in saving lives, both in hospitals and ambulances. Compare the ventilator breathing process with that of natural breathing process. Who can answer? What was the answer for this? Who will volunteer? What the difference between mechanical ventilator process and normal breathing process? Who
Sir,
can answer? Yes, yes, please.
in mechanical ventilators, actually, mechanical devices, they actually push the air into lungs. It is a periodic
Exactly.
process. But
True.
natural breathing, air is being pulled into the lungs naturally, and the
Exactly.
expansion of the lungs helps to distribute it equally.
Exactly. Yeah, true. It's correct. Why I'm not able to magnify this? Just a minute, so that it will be easy for everyone to see and know. Okay. So, Shivan, you told it is very correct. The ventilator process, the air will be pushed inside actively. So it's an active process where it will be pushed inside. So breathing will take place. It is called positive pressure of the air. Okay. And whereas in the natural process, our muscles and the diaphragm, everything will pull the air inside. So it is called negative pressure. Okay. So either if you have written the positive pressure or Shivan explained those things, you will get the marks. Okay. Let's go to the second one. Automobile company is in pursuit of designing the best alpine race car. They want to design a race car in cold countries. Okay. Though there are several hundreds of factors, including the material used for the car body. So the different parameters for the car, a race car in Alpine is the car body, height, wheel width, wheelbase, design, overall design, engine, and engine to consider. It may not be possible for the company come up with a race car design quickly. So you as an engineer suggest buy and spare technology which could save their time and energy and brief about the design step process. Who can volunteer to answer? Suggest a buy and spare technology to them.
Sir,
Yeah.
in our body, our
Okay,
genetically,
again Shivani, wait it. Shivani, wait. Some other, anyone else. Let's see. Who else can answer? Or attempt to answer, no problem. If you're wrong also, not a problem. Later I'll give Shivani the chance. Who will answer? Okay, Ritanya, try. Ritanya will try. Suggest a billions per technology. Yeah, Ritanya, unmute yourself. No, this will not do. It's a bad thing if you don't unmute. Okay, Arvind. Arvind is here. Arvind is not here. Okay, who want to answer apart from Shivani? Okay, nobody is there in your class, I think, who want to
Sir,
volunteer.
a kind of fish, sir.
Ah, yeah, who is this? Hitesh.
Hitesh,
Ah, Hitesh, come on.
sir,
Yeah, Hitesh.
I wrote it as box fish, sir. Like the aerodynamic shift it takes, sir.
Okay. Uh, box fish. But now that all like I told in the class, now like when there is a complicated thing, complex thing, and you want to design, then how do you design? What is the algorithm that you can use? Boxfish can be an inspiration, but what is the algorithm that you will use? You will have to write about the genetic algorithm over here, okay? So
Sir,
that was the correct answer, genetic algorithm, okay? Yeah, Shivani, you had something to say?
sir, is it like we have to write how genetic algorithm provides a range of option how the human body is different?
Exactly, exactly. Because genetic algorithm is used for what? It is used for optimization purpose. When you have many parameters, how do you optimize what is the best? I in the class I remember I gave the example of a mobile phone. Mobile phone may have you may need to design a mobile phone such that it is very strong, it is very robust, it is very speed, it is also has the face recognition, the AI technology, and maybe even the fingerprint, and it has very good speed for multiple apps where you can use like this many different parameters, and touch screen also very nice, and these kind of things when multiple parameters, and it should be cheap also. When multiple parameters are there, how do you optimize what is the best thing? Because in a society, they may ask different parameters. What is the best outcome which you can give us? You can use the genetic algorithm, and that algorithm will provide you what is the best design which can be there. On the best design, you can see what may get selected. Okay. So third one, gas exchange happens in lungs and the cells. Lungs also CO2, O2. Cells also the blood will give rush to give the cells O2 and take up the CO2. CO2 and oxygen are traded off in this exercise. Correct. Examine the principle behind the gas exchange and how this can be harnessed to develop bio-inspired engineering product. Here you are given a chance with your own innovation, like what Hitesh told about the bio box fish. A similar way, here you can write many things. You are given the option. Anyone want to try what you had written or anything? How the gas exchange take place? Can anyone tell me what is the principle? There's the biological principle for the gas exchange.
it's based on the partial pressure, the pressure gradient and concentration between
Exactly.
gases in
So
the
depending on the partial pressure. So it is diffusion which is occurring. So it is very passive. You are not expending any energy for the gas exchange. It's occurring naturally just because of the concentration. When the partial pressure is more at one side, concentration is high, it will go to lower concentration. Okay. In the deoxygenated blood, CO2 concentration is higher than the atmospheric air which you breathe in. So it will push out CO2 from blood. Now the oxygen will be low, whereas the oxygen in the environment is high. It will just by diffusion take into the oxygen inside the blood. Okay, this is the principle. So passively, there is no active energy which is expended. Now, how will you take the same principle behind this? Develop a engineering product. It's an open question. So you can suggest any design in your discipline or any otherwise also you can suggest. So any session.
Like we have hemodialysis for kidney and artificial lung, which works on partial
Yeah,
using
okay, that
different
also can be done.
lung on a chip.
Yeah, exactly. Then any thing else? Any other examples? Yeah, okay, that one. So many things can be done. Hitesh, what did you write?
Sir, I wrote artificial lungs, sir.
Okay, same. Saraswati. Ah, Saraswati, what was your example? You can unmute. Might kick you. Okay. So, what did you write? Give an example using that breathing process. What did you write? Are you typing in between anyone else? You want to give your example? What you had written that you can share over here. Okay, so I told about the principle. Now I'll go to next question. The new 5G communication. Even yesterday there was a news that Reliance is going to offer with they will collaborate with Google and they will offer Google Cloud. They will collaborate and they will offer 5G next in few couple of weeks or months or anything. So if 5G comes in, it will bring in important new prospects because your speed, your network coverage, everything will be so high that you can do so many things, which will allow more flexible, autonomous, and efficient communication framework and comprehensive connectivity. So even it may already geo fiber everywhere it is going. Similar way, even a rail wire like the central BSNL and all, they are giving connectivity in rural areas also. So 5G is likely become because of the speed. See, for example, when we are doing online class, obviously, if any 5G with efficient speed is there, that only people will prefer, isn't it? So, when 5G becomes very predominant in near future, it will subdue other networks. That is obvious. Okay. Other already see because of the 3G or 4G which we are using now. Already 2G has become extinct. Relate this technological transformation to a biological principle. So here, very nicely you can think is 2G has become extinct and 5G will get selected. So what is the biological principle that you will mention over here? What's it? Anyone? So try, let's see.
So survival of fittest?
Exactly. Survival of fittest. Good, Ritanya. Now you answer. Exactly. Survival of fittest. So Darwinian selection is coming here. Selection of the 5G will happen. 2G, other networks and all will follow the same thing and they will go extinct. Okay, that is correct. The U, because the 5G will have more fitness. Okay, it will grow more. Okay. So let's go to next one. The use of human embryonic stem cell raises ethical issues. Even I think we discussed about these things a little. Comment on the ethical dilemma. What could be the ethical dilemma? By using the embryonic stem cells, what is the ethical dilemma?
So things like human cloning.
Shivani, your voice is very feeble. Can you little
So
loudly
things like
or keep
human
your mic
cloning.
near your mouth? Yeah,
Things like human cloning have
e-
originated from these kind.
exactly. Yeah, a lot of ethical issues will crop up. Like, for example, in the embryonic stage, embryonic stem cell, we saw here like when gastrula and blastula is formed during development after fertilization. In that stage itself, if you tweak some things, later the development process, you can direct what kind of development should occur. For example, in the embryonic stage, there are some good things like recently I get the example also in China. I think 3 4 years back, one scientist he used embryonic stem cell to cure, made some rearrangement such that some faking such that HIV virus cannot infect that baby. So though it was for HIV non-infecting kind of development can occur, still the issue was if say you want to build a very muscular kind of citizens, or you think that anyone who is bright like a supercomputer, you want to build only those kind of humans. So you, the humans, when they have the tendency to direct something, then natural process will not be allowed. Then it may go any wrong way also at the time, because whoever is having power, they will start this. Okay, so this is not a correct thing. Or even just you can go to hospital, doctor, gynecology doctor, she in help with a stem cell expert can tweak such that the baby can become something superhuman kind of thing. Then when you go in an artificial way, there are a lot of ethical issues which can crop up because of this. So, because of this ethical dilemma, is there? I gave you also some of the examples at the time. You all can go to Google. You can just type in. For example, there are animals, say dogs which are muscular dogs like this and all. You can Google and see. Let's see. Wait, I'll show you those images. Muscular animals. Embryon consults. Some good pictures were with me. I'll also want to check it. In animals, people have done. Uh, Bio- uh, giving only, or I'll write transgenic animals. There's a fluorescent animal. Okay, I'll just send you some good references for that. People have tried in different labs across the world and all for that particular thing. Okay, so I'll later send you. Yeah,
Mule.
exactly. In so many different animals, even in cows, they've done, even in mules, and even in dogs, pigs. For different things they've tried. This one I'll show you some references. I think I have somewhere. I'll search and show you them. Okay, I'll send you either in GCR or WhatsApp or anything. I'll send you. Okay.
But they lose
So
their
for
reproductive capacity
yeah,
because
yeah.
of that.
Come again.
But they lose their reproductive capacity. Those transgenic animals that have been.
Mm, that only depends on what kind of tweaking have been done in them. So not all will lose the capacity. Some will lose the capacity and some may not also. Okay. Uh, so those are the ethical dilemma because in human that is in research if you're doing just to know that's okay. But if it comes in public domain, It's a lot of ethical and legal issues may come up. For that, the question is suggest alternative sources for stem cell therapy. We cannot say don't use stem cells, okay? But we should use stem cell therapy because it's so much useful. So, what is your suggestion so that we use? Can anyone tell?
3D bioprinting.
No, in the stem cell itself. 3D bioprinting also you may use stem cells, but main thing over here is, as you told, that also will be, but the later stages. So only thing is we should not use the embryonic stem cell because these are pluripotent stem cell. You have to use unipotent stem cell. There will be no ethical issues over there. So you have to use the unipotent or you have to use the induced pluripotent stem cell. Okay. So you will take this, say for example, someone as you told for 3D printing of heart, you require a stem cell. For that, some embryonic stem cell is pluripotent is required. So you induce that potency by taking some unipotent stem cell and giving the environment properly, and you induce, and then you develop a proper organ or anything that is okay. So it will have ethical issues which are minimal, which can be dealt with. But embryonic stage, if you start tweaking, then you will tweak for many wrong things also may come up in the human system. So over here the answer is the alternative sources either use a unipotent or use a induced pluripotent stem cells. Okay, that has to be used. Now let's go to sixth one. Arun is taking the help of genetic algorithm to optimize his problem on hybrid engine designing. So here to optimize, again Arun is using GA. Accidentally, the algorithm for crossover and mutation steps got corrupted. Analyze the expected consequences. What could be the consequence if crossover and mutation steps got corrupted? So from crossover, normally what is got, what is derived from the crossover recombination? What do you get? Or from mutation. Now, for example, just take the example of coronavirus. So when coronavirus gets a mutation, what happens? What is
Crossover
hap-
and mutation are the basis for diversity.
exactly? So the crossover and mutation are giving rise to variations, variants. That if it is corrupted, then you don't get the variants. So when there is no variance, you don't have so many different. How will you optimize? When so many different parameters for designing is there, and you don't get a lot many different variants, then you're not going to achieve anything. So variance will not be produced. Okay. Then in seventh one, 2020 approximately, this blah blah blah. Then suggest a bio-inspired data storage facility and mention its advantage. This is like you all know DNA storage is going on. One table also I showed you in presentation how it is more advantageous in speed in storage facility and all things. And you can just memorize those things and write accordingly. Okay, just a minute. I'll take this call. Some important call is coming. Yeah. So sorry, I had an important call in between. So, seventh one, as I told, you will have to just put those data, the speed, the thing, and all. Okay. Then, eighth one, let's go. Imagine you're a scientist assigned with a job to reduce the years of drug testing. Since the drugs available in nearby pharmacy is an outcome of several years of research. Mention the latest available technology to reduce drug testing, because we saw drug testing, if you want to drug discovery testing and all, it takes many years, 15 years just for clinical trials and all. So what can be done for this to reduce the number of years?
Organ on a chip.
Exactly, organ or chip, and you write in advantages. Okay, good. Then this who can answer ninth one? Assume there are 40 amino acids. We have seen only 20. How would the genetic code be read? As a singlet? That is ATGC if it is the A code for one amino acid. Is it like that, or a doublet or a triplet or quadret? Who will answer this?
Triplets, sir.
Exactly. Why?
Because even though there are 40 amino acids, only 3 nucleotides can form one
Exactly.
amino acid.
Very nice. Yeah, exactly. That is the answer. And I hope you justify your answer, because there are four power one, two, three. How much it gives? 4 over 3, 64. That if you write 64 amino acid can be sufficed by triplet code. Okay. Then you have assigned a project to design a security alarm for newly constructed academic block. Mention any two features from inspired from the human immune system that you would adapt. Would develop an algorithm to incorporate to be incorporated in the system. So from immune system, you should take a bio inspiration and make it a more secure thing. An academic blog in Shastra, you want to make it secure. So to make it secure, what is the bio inspiration you take from immune system? What can be taken?
So just like dendritic cells, they recognize the pathogens and activate other immune cells to take action
Dendritic
against it.
cells. Okay, good. Dendritic cells, what it does is it is dendritic cells will sample the antigens and present it to the other phagocytes or other immune cells. Okay, so you need someone to go and recognize, yeah, this is a antigen or a pathogen. It is non-self. So what very easily can be done is any two features. So you can think of many things, but the most simplest thing is, I'll see your answers. But the most simplest thing is, you know, two different mechanisms of immune. One is innate immune, one is adaptive. Innate will have the already, it is born with the immune system which protects, but non-specifically. Like that, you will just put all the gates or any CCTV cameras, everything, and be put for adaptive being. So just like innate and just like adaptive, you can also use them over here. Okay. So that is one thing. In this, it's also open question. So what in immune system you've taken? Let's see. So part B, I'll go. Part B, I'll go to key itself. So again, Mission Suraksha is an effort by Indian Armed Forces. Motto is to strengthen the country's border by first one, monitoring and preventing infiltration of enemy. So for that, immune system and immune cells coordinate. Again, you can also it all depends here, starting from physical barrier like smart fences with night vision cameras, farm robots. So many ideas are given over here. You can I'll see whether your bio-inspired idea is also good. Okay. Then identification and elimination of terrorists and soldiers. So innate adaptive immune system, that only pattern recognition, neutralization. You can give that example. And
Sir,
developing a,
legal system also
yeah.
does infiltration process, no, sir. Bowman's capsule.
Okay, that also is good. Okay, no problem. That also you can give. So many things you can give. Okay, I'll just check your answers. Here are some. I'm. It is not a very strict. Here from immune system, everything is given. I'm okay with. If you have written any by inspiration from any of the things, I'm okay with this. Okay, I'll see your answers. Next one, your classmate has encountered difficulty in analyzing a few comments on genetic code. As you have learned the same, help your friend to address the comments. Identify the type of sequence. What is the type of sequence?
DNA single stranded.
Exactly. Why DNA?
Because uracil is not present.
Yeah, that's all. That is the answer. Can the sequence express in its present form? What can be done to make the sequence express as protein? Can it be expressed in the present form?
Transcription and translation are required.
Transcription is required, isn't it? Yeah, exactly. And that if you write what to make, translation. Exactly. Then write the complementary. Yeah, for T you write uracil, then it becomes complementary mRNA. How many amino acids are possible? If you take 3 and one this thing. For example, over here, let's see uh, how many amino acids will be formed over here.
6 amino acids, sir.
Why 6? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are more, many more, na? Why only 6 you are telling?
But some of the, like, for example, AUA and AUU both will form isoleucine only, no, sir.
Exactly, that is important. So
And
AUG is a start codon. From here, methionine starts 1, 2, these 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 actually, 8 amino acids. You have 8. Just see from here it starts. This will code for methionine. Then comes 2, 3, 4, sorry, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And this is a stop codon. It codes for no amino acid. So 8 amino acids it will code. Okay, that was the correct answer. Okay, then given the power of storing the sequence in an encoded form, such technique, the same DNA, this storage can be done. And why again you should give? What is the advantages for this? Okay. So in among the question and answers, anyone have any comments or anything? Write to me. If no comments is there, I'll stop here. Let's